friends. Today we're bringing you the journey of the world-famous Somnio, showing how this luxury yacht is built.
If we adjust the observation deck here, we enhance the panoramic view.
I agree. Let's zoom in on the structural support around the bow.
Steel plates arrive at the shipyard and are inspected by American technicians wearing full safety gear.
Robotic cutting machines precisely shape massive steel sections for the Somnio hull.
The data shows a minor inclusion right here.
Yes, but the overall integrity is sound. We can approve this section.
Crane 1, slow traverse to the right, 5 centimeters, hold position.
Copy that. Alignment looks good on grid C. We are clear for final descent.
The Somnio hull is sealed and treated with corrosion-resistant coating.
Exterior hull painting begins, applying elegant luxury colors.
A little lower on the left side, right there.
Okay, it's set. Looks perfect from here.
Construction of the upper decks begins under bright shipyard lighting.
Multiple helicopter landing pads are assembled on the Somnio upper deck.
The measurements are exact according to the specs.
And the compressive strength is well within tolerance. Looks good.
Interior construction begins with layout marking for 30 luxury private residences. American carpenters build premium wall structures inside Somnio apartments.
Okay, easy now. A little lower on your side.
Got it, looks aligned.
Hold it there.
Luxury bedroom interiors take shape with custom beds and lighting.
VIP suite construction, showcasing expansive space and elegant design.
High-end bathrooms are installed with marble finishes and modern fixtures.
I think the coffee table works perfectly right there.
Yeah. Yes, the flow is much better now. The bronze complements the velvet beautifully.
Yeah.
Ensure the molding alignment is perfect before the final setting. Roger that. The chandelier is ready for testing.
This place is absolutely stunning.
The ambiance is perfect. I could stay here all night.
This one's perfect. Send it out.
Yes, chef. Thank you.
Swimming pool construction begins on the upper deck.
I'm so glad we decided to come here this year.
Me too. It's exactly what we needed. Look how relaxed everyone is.
Advanced electrical and smart control systems installed throughout the yacht.
Scan the primary influx manifold again. The readings here don't match the schematic.
Confirmed. Recalibrating the nav system now. Looks stable.
Safety and emergency systems tested across the yacht. Interior lighting test creates a warm, luxury atmosphere. Final interior inspection of residences, suites, and public areas. Exterior deck detailing and luxury furniture placement.
Final Somnio logo inspection on hull and decks.
The completed Somnio Yacht is prepared for launch.
Massive launch sequence as Somnio touches the water for the first time.
Kampai! This is wonderful.
To new friends and amazing travels.
Cheers to that. This place is incredible.
To the most beautiful sunset I've ever seen.
Look how the light hits the water over there.
This is the life, to the best vacation ever.
Absolutely, cheers.
Somnio continues its journey through the open sea.